Welcome back to Steamboat Willies. This video is a quick video on how to pair the EZ-Kontroller from Golden Motor with the TRC 01 throttle. This system works phenomenal on my boat, but because I bought both separately, I had to download a software on an Android instead of an Apple, and I had to go through a pairing process and change some parameters in the setup. And this will show you the process to be able to do that. The interesting thing is that when I was able to turn on the controller before I had set the parameters, the unit was beeping incessantly. It was almost like a Morse code. 11 beeps and then a pause, 11 beeps and then a pause. Later I found out that there is a code, and that will tell you what the supposed problem is. It's the way the controller tells you what's going on. The important first step to pairing the two is downloading the proper program, the EZ-Tune app, which is located on their website. From there, you can use this sheet, which Hunter from Golden Motor had sent. It's important to be able to go through the parameters and the settings of the program and make sure that the throttle mode is changed to linear, the joystick is set to Y. The main throttle, min default 1000, the main throttle min reference threshold 2200, and the main throttle max reference threshold 2800. Then you want to take and change to the main throttle max fault threshold to 4000. These parameters will get that controller working great. The other thing I had to change was I had to change the direction of the motor to coincide with my prop direction so that forward and reverse were proper. I also increased the speed in the reverse so that I could back up with sufficient power, being that the prop in reverse is less efficient.
Let's see what happens when we turn it on. So you're ready to go. We got power. Let's see how we go. Okay, got power in one direction. Let's see what we got going in the other. There's a bumper. The motor's working good.
Thanks for watching Steamboat Willie's Boathouse.